Okay, you are highly welcome to this channel. Let's quickly go to the Whitehead, the great man, Opatafuor, and take a word of advice from you because the world is full of mystery. We are working and living in a world that is full of mystery. It takes the capacity of this type to decode the word and put us on the right track. Great Whitehead, any advice for your fans and people who are watching you from afar? Okay, let me tell you something. In the intricate tapestry of human existence, don't be surprised when you heal the leg of somebody and he uses the same leg to run away without saying thank you to you. What I want to tell you is that life is full of surprises. If you understand what I'm saying. When you do something good to somebody and the person turns to pace you with negativity, don't be surprised. Don't worry yourself regarding those type of people in the society. Remember, in the Bible, Jesus, in his own divine mercy, healed 10 men who were suffering from the spirit of leprosy. But to the surprise of this wonderful Master Jesus, all those that he liberated never came back to say thank you to him. It was only one person. Another example was Jesus was able to feed 5,000 people. And after feeding those people, sit yourself down and ask yourself a question. When Jesus was arrested and was taken to the council of elders in the community, when he was being brought before Pilato and those people, it was these same people who stood in front of Pilato and demanded for the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. There are some people that you take bullet for them just for these people to survive. And at the end of the day, they'll come back and tell you that they never told you to help them in life. Some will say things to jeopardize you. Some will say things to ridicule you. Some will go to an extreme level of wanting to take even your life. All is part of life. When you see some of these things, some of these circumstances, don't be surprised. That is exactly how humanity is all about. There are some people that you do good to them, they will pay you back with evilness. They will say things to the extent where when people see you, you become a scene of mediocrity. People will make laughter out of you. You become the mockery of the day. And such is life. So, be rest assured that whatever that you are doing here on earth, all your services, you are doing everything in glorification to the name Jesus and the man who created heaven and earth. For at the end of the day, we all shall be held accountable for every action that we exhibited here on earth. Such as life. Don't worry yourself with these evil perpetrators, evil people whom you do good to. and they will say ill things about you. Such is life. So, the proverb that will leave you is that when you heal the leg of someone, don't be surprised if this same person uses the same leg that you helped in touching, this same leg that you helped in transforming into perfection. If they use this to run away, don't be surprised. Give thanks to God. Whatever thing that anybody might have said about you that really hurts you, let it go. A part of life. You will never understand things. All right, that is very interesting. We've heard from the whole horse's mouth, the white head, the vast countenance, the great one, Opatafuor. This is worth it. It's very interesting. As humans, I believe that when we tune our ears and then heart to some of these advices, it's going to keep us on our toe and get to know the right directions to undertake in life. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel.